first batch of Amarnath Yatra 2024 have been flagged off from Nunwan base camp towards the Holy Cave. The 52-day pilgrimage has begun from the twin tracks, the traditional 48 kilometers Nunwan Pahalgam route in Anantnag and the 14-kilometer Baltal route in Gandarbal today, and will conclude on August 19th. Now, stringent security arrangements including 3-tier security route deployment and checkpoints have been made to ensure a smooth yatra for the pilgrims.
Situated at more than 12,000 feet above sea level, Amarnath Cave is not an easy task, but the devotees are full of enthusiasm and devotion as they move towards the Amarnath Shrine Cave. Behind me is the first batch of pilgrims who have started their journey to Amarnath Cave Shrine. It's a hilly terrain and not an easy task to reach the cave shrine located in the hills of the high passes of the Himalayas, accompanied by family, friends and neighbors. Many of them have traveled several kilometers to reach here. The yatra will take place from two sides, the two routes, which is one in Pahalgam and another in Sonmarg. They stayed overnight in Baltal base camps. This is a Nunwan base camp from where now they are proceeding. Many of them will completely walk for several kilometers and reach their destination at the Shrine Cave. Every year thousands of them come, but yes, this year in the first batch more than 4,500 pilgrims started their journey early morning and are now going towards the Shrine Cave. It will take them a lot of time to walk on foot and reach there, but the devotion and the religious chants that you're hearing is something which keeps them going, and because there are people from different parts of the country.
Ishan is joining us back on the broadcast over the story. Ishan, a very good morning to you. Please walk our viewers through all the new additions this time around. Also, the numbers, if the numbers of pilgrims have been changed this time around.
Well, yes, 4,603 pilgrims have left from both the sides, which includes the Nunwan base camp and Baltal base camp, and have started their journey through the mountains of Himalayas in Kashmir Valley to go and reach to the Amarnath Shrine Cave. The road is not easy. It's a high terrain located at an altitude of 12,503 feet above sea level. A daunting task for many because they are young and old, and many of them can suffer from low oxygen levels. So the administration has ensured that there are sufficient doctors and these temporary hospitals which have been made up at the base camps. And this for the smooth conduct and the security aspect, I'll ask my Vijay to show you that this will give you an idea that how security is guarding even the forest areas near Amarnath or the base camp. This is the forces which have been deployed on the other side of the base camp, essentially because there's a forest area, and we have seen that in Rajouri, Poonch and other areas, forests have been used by these outfits to carry out attacks. So to eliminate that fear, deployments have been made in the near vulnerable positions and spots where ITBP, CRPF, BSF, Jammu and Kashmir Police, the Indian Army is helping for the smooth conduct of the yatra. These are the mountain peaks through which they will travel, and there are paths around those mountains which they will traverse all these days and then reach the Holy Cave. There are two ways to reach the cave. One is the Baltal route and other is this particular route through Nunwan base camp, and then they proceed towards that particular location. This year's BRO has been able to make a considerable amount of road for the pathway towards that location where the Amarnath Cave is. We have seen in the past that many pilgrims it would be difficult for them to reach there because of their age and the sort of climatic condition that prevails there. The temperatures can certainly drop up to -2 or 3 degrees Celsius even in the summer time because the mountainous range and peaks are covered with snow. So something do's and don'ts have already been published by the government, and food is something where people have been asked to take precaution. But remember, there has been an attack on pilgrims in Riyasi, and that is something because of which we saw a meeting taking place in Delhi where Home Minister Amit Shah along with Lieutenant Governor, NSA and other top officials chaired a meeting and discussed what all plans need to be implemented on the ground so that Amarnath Yatra could be made secure. One of them was the implementation of a plan, the robustness of the forces. The forces should be deployed in vulnerable places. Also carrying out road opening parties should be ready. Operational capabilities should be there. Drones and technology should be used to eliminate any sort of fear that may arise in the forests or nearby areas. And the deployment of forces has been made such that those vulnerable places have been plugged in, and temporary bunkers have been made to ensure that no international activity or any attack takes place on the Amarnath pilgrims. While safety aspect is there, the camp, I'll show you, my VJ will show you, this is the camp area briefly, and this is where the Amarnath pilgrims are staying, and entire area has been fenced and kept secure so that Amarnath Yatris could feel secure, and then they are able to be at ease while they are here. So yes, elaborate security as well as other arrangements have been made, and the Amarnath Yatra will conclude on the day of Raksha Bandhan. Until then, 52-year Yatra will go on.
Definitely, Ishan. Thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial updates with regards to Amarnath Yatra this year. But in terms of energy and enthusiasm amongst the pilgrims, this is one of the chat that Ishan Wani got with us with one of the pilgrims. Take a look at that as well.
What we found while reporting was Kuldeep Singh, who walks on his hands, and he has had polio at a very young age. But his devotion brings him here every year, and he has been almost a regular to Amarnath Yatra. आपका नाम बताइए, कहाँ से आए हैं और ये क्या हाल है आपका?
हमारा शुभ नाम है कुलदीप सिंह, हरियाणा से आए हैं। 12 साल से बाबा की यात्रा करते हैं। आज तक हमारे को कोई भी कष्ट नहीं आया। बाबा ने पूरा साथ दिया है। बाबा के दर्शन करके आते हैं। हम हिम्मत नहीं हारते हैं। बाबा के से ये दरखास्त चाहते हैं, बाबा हमारे को ठीक ठाक कर दे।
तो ये कैसे हुआ आपको, और तब से आपको कुछ मुश्किल आ रही है वहाँ जाने में, या कुछ दिक्कत होती है?
हमारे को दिक्कत ये होती है, जो यात्री लोग हैं वो विकलांगों के लिए जहाज में भेज देते हैं या पालकी करवा देते हैं भंडारा वाले। तो हमारे को यह दिक्कत है, हम चल नहीं पाते। फिर भी हम बाबा से अरदास करते हैं, रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, बाबा हमारे को अच्छी तरह हिम्मत करे।
कितने साल से आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं? आपने इससे पहले भी यात्रा की है, कितनी बार की है, और इस बार क्या लग रहा है आपको, फर्क है कुछ?
इस बार मेरे को फर्क लग रहा है। 12 साल से हम यात्रा करते हैं। आज तक हमारे को कोई भी किसी प्रकार की कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आई है।
We'll speak to some of them. कहाँ से आए हैं, कैसा लग रहा है इंतजाम?
हरियाणा से आए, हरियाणा से अच्छा लगा।
तो आज आप यात्रा पे जा रहे हैं, कैसा उत्साह है?
बड़ा अच्छा। तो श्रद्धालुओं के मन में बहुत भारी उत्साह है भोले बाबा के दर्शन करने के लिए।
महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इधर आके हमको।
तो आप कब से प्लान कर रहे थे यात्रा पे आने?
हम 2 महीने से प्लान कर रहे थे। मेरा आज भाग्य खुल गया, मैं इधर आ गया। वो भोले का दर्शन हो जाएगा आज।
आपसे बात करेंगे कि कैसा
बहुत अच्छा महसूस हो रहा है बाबा के दर्शन करने में। मैंने पहली टाइम में 15 तारीख को रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाया था, 29 तारीख का। आज वो दिन आ गया अपन सफलता का। अब दर्शन करने बाबा के जा रहे हैं हम लोग। 82 जन हैं इकट्ठे, जबलपुर से आए हुए हैं सभी लोग, और बाकी जन पीछे लगे हुए हैं।
तो कैसा उत्साह है? आप पैदल चलेंगे वहाँ तक, तो काफी आसान नहीं है?
पैदल चलने की कोशिश तो करेंगे।
मेरा नाम सुनीता सैनी। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, यहाँ आने के बाद में पैदल यात्रा करेंगे हम लोग।
तो कितने देर से सोच रहे थे कि यहाँ आने का, और आज पहली बार क्या
3 साल से बहुत चल रहा है। चले पहले जस्ते में आने की इच्छा थी, बहुत इच्छा थी, पहलगांव से जाने की इच्छा थी। बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ के।
इस बार जो फैसिलिटीज है कैसी लगी आपको? क्या
बहुत बढ़िया लगी, रहने की व्यवस्था भी अच्छी है।
आप आइए, आपसे बात करेंगे। ये पूछेंगे, आप काफी जवान हैं और यहाँ पे आने का क्या सोचा आपने कि आप यहाँ पे आएंगे?
यहाँ पे आने के मतलब बाबा ने अरदास दिया कि अमरनाथ चले, तो फिर घर वालों के साथ में अमरनाथ जाने का प्लान करा।